Hello and welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now this time when I said welcome back, there was pun intended. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि pun intended कैसे, तो आपको बता दूं, देखिए 7 साल पहले एक फिल्म आई थी Welcome. अब 7 साल बाद इसी फिल्म का सीक्वल बन रहा है. इस सीक्वल का नाम है Welcome Back. And the good news is that इस साल and आने वाले साल में 80% of the film is going to be shot in Dubai. तो ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि दुबई में शूटिंग चल रही है और स्टार्स हमें वेलकम ना करें. So here's our conversation with the stars of Welcome Back.
Welcome, everybody come welcome, welcome to the party come welcome, welcome. There's another couple, everyone welcome, welcome. Action.
Dubai has always had a very close relationship with the Indian film industry, and it is continuing to grow stronger. The sequel to director Anis Bazmi's blockbuster Welcome Back's cast and crew are filming major parts of their film in Dubai.
Released in 2007 and directed by Anis Bazmi, Welcome not only succeeded in tickling everyone's funny bone, but also did tremendous business at the box office. Now, after 6 years, the team of Welcome is in Dubai to film the sequel, and it's called Welcome Back.
जब सब लोगों को कहानी सुनाई गई तो सबका ये कहना है कि भाई ये पहली फिल्म से ज़्यादा बेहतर कहानी है, पहली फिल्म से ज़्यादा अच्छे इसमें कैरेक्टर्स हैं, पहली फिल्म से ज़्यादा ग्रैंडर है, पहली फिल्म से ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है हर चीज़ जो है वो फर्स्ट से ज़्यादा है. जो ऑडियंस है वो बहुत कुछ उम्मीद करेगी और मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों ने जो ये फिल्म जिस तरह बनाने जा रहे हैं बनाएंगे, मुझे लगता है कि ऑडियंस को इत्मीनान होगा, एक खुशी होगी कि ये बिल्कुल अच्छा इंसाफ हुआ है और मेरे हिसाब से बहुत कुछ होगा इस फिल्म के अंदर.
Now, Welcome Back is a big budget film. Now, just to give you an example, one of the sequences shot in Dubai is going to be shot on a yacht that has never been featured anywhere so far. So you've never ever seen this yacht. It's the first time when you will see it in Welcome Back. Now, this is a massive yacht. It's got an open air swimming pool. It's got 2 helipads. So you can just about imagine the scale that I'm talking about. Now, there's another song in the film that has been shot in Mumbai, but Feroz Nadiadwala actually spent 1.7 million dirhams on just this song. So I'm guessing Feroz Nadiadwala is leaving no stone unturned to make Welcome Back a super success. Welcome Back is definitely going to be bigger in every sense of the word.
I am very excited about Welcome Back, meaning Welcome, coming as a sequel again as Welcome Back. That is the most thrilling news for me because I am the biggest fan of Welcome first.
Well, from Welcome Back you can expect a lot more entertainment and entertainment at all aspects of filmmaking, writing, production values, direction, performances, and we are very proud to have our director Mr. Anis Bazmi again taking the charge of this successful franchise.
I play Majnu again and I'm enjoying playing it, and it's very nostalgic, and the only thing which we are missing now is Feroz Khan. Because I did Jambaz with him and we did Welcome over here.
Guys and dolls, it's time to rock.
पिछले फिल्म में पूरे गुंडे थे, अभी बिल्कुल सुधर गए हैं, लेकिन वो पिछली ज़िंदगी बार बार उभर कर आती है तो वो संभाल नहीं पाते वो नया जो कैरेक्टर है उसको. मतलब वो शरीफ बन गए, वो भूल जाते, वो कहते कि नहीं चलो औकात पे आते हैं. तो है ही वैसे.
Many movies have been filmed in Dubai, and in a lot of them, Dubai has claimed to be a different city. But in Welcome Back, Dubai will be projected as Dubai itself.
फिरोज भाई का ये एक ऐसा है कि मुझे लगता है ये दूसरा घर है. वो हर फिल्म यहाँ करना चाहते हैं, एक अलग सा प्यार है उनका. तो मैंने सोचा कि एक बार जाके फिर हम देखेंगे दुबई को, और जब मैं यहाँ देखने आया तो आई वाज शॉक्ड. मतलब इतनी तरक्की इतनी जल्दी मुझे नहीं लगता दुनिया में किसी देश ने की हो जितनी दुबई ने की है. मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी डायरेक्टर के लिए ये एक ड्रीम वर्ल्ड है. कहीं पे भी कैमरा लगा दीजिए, इट्स गुड लुकिंग, इट इज़ फैंटास्टिक.
The movie will have backdrops of iconic places in Dubai like the Burj Khalifa. Hotels like Meydan and the Jumeirah Zabil Sarai will enhance the beauty of the film.
Well, welcome to Jumeirah Zabil Sarai. Here we are. With regards to the collaboration between us and the team at Welcome Back, we're delighted to be hosting them. It's even more exciting to be welcoming back Mr. Anil Kapoor. He was here previously in 2010 filming the Mission Impossible 4 Ghost Protocol.
Yes, I shot for Mission Impossible and I did the character of Brijnath. And this is supposed to be my house, and it's such a coincidence that again it's my house and Welcome Back.
Like all Nadiadwala productions, Welcome Back is also going to be a big budget film. The approximate budget of the film is going to be somewhere between 80 to 90 million. Their agenda is to make the film a bigger and better family entertainer.
ये बहुत अच्छा है, खूबसूरत सा सीन है जहाँ पर जो अनिल जी हैं, नाना जी हैं, ये जो है एक चीज़ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और बहुत ही टेंशन में बैठे हैं.
We have a simple catchphrase which we'll be using even in the promotion, that the Rat Pack is back and Welcome Back. So watch it in 2014.
So after watching this, all we can do is wish the entire team of Welcome Back a super duper successful box office blockbuster in Welcome Back. It's time for us to take a short break, but when we come back, I will give you some options in which you can welcome 2014.